Windows 11 includes a suite of versatile apps which enhance the Windows experience. To see all the apps in your system, click on Start, then click on All Apps to reveal an alphabetical list of what is currently installed on your system. If you go into Settings and click on Personalization, then select Start, you can choose how your apps are shown in the Start menu. Toggle on or off most used apps to be at the top of your All Apps list, or show recently added apps in the Recommended section. You can even decide how your apps are displayed. One of the standard apps pre-installed in Windows 11 is the Microsoft Store. This integrated digital marketplace offers a diverse collection of apps, games, and entertainment. The sleek, user-friendly interface provides a quick access to all kinds of apps optimized specifically for Windows. Check out its vast library and download safely because of Microsoft's enhanced security measures. The Microsoft Store app also supports Android apps as they cross over to Windows 11 for users. To learn more about this, check out our video on how to install Android apps on your Windows 11 Dell PC. Microsoft Edge is also available in Windows 11. It's a cutting-edge web browser designed to deliver a fast, secure, and immersive browsing experience which offers seamless integration with Windows features and services. Edge also incorporates powerful privacy and security tools such as Smart Screen to safeguard users from potential threats, making it a strong choice for browsing the web in the Windows 11 environment. Watch our video about Microsoft Edge to get insight on its features as well as a few tips and tricks. Another app you get is the Microsoft Phone Link app. This has replaced the Phone Companion app. It has an updated design for Windows 11, and besides making and receiving calls, you can filter your notifications and use the mobile apps on your PC. To learn all about this connection between your Dell PC and your Android phone, check out our video on how to link your phone to your computer. Other useful apps typically included in Windows 11 are the Notepad, which is a simple and lightweight text editor in which users can create and edit plain text files very easily. Paint is a basic, user-friendly graphics editing app enabling users to create and modify simple images and drawings. Photos serves as a media viewer and organizer for all your photos and videos. It comes with basic media editing like video trimming. Calendar is a native Windows app that helps you schedule and manage events, appointments, and reminders. Mail comes as a pre-installed email client in Windows, offering users a straightforward platform to easily manage and access their email accounts. Teams is now integrated in Windows, and this communication and collaboration platform combines chat, video conferencing, file sharing, and app integration all within a single interface. And for you gamers out there, there's the Xbox app. This dedicated platform for Windows connects users to the Xbox ecosystem with access to Xbox Game Pass, social gaming features, and remote console control straight from your Dell PC. Whenever you need help or have any questions, you can always reach out to us through social media for assistance. Check out the Dell Community Forum and join in a chat or start a new post. Don't forget to become a subscriber to our channel and get access to all our support videos and alerts on our new content. Thanks for watching.